Hello beautiful people, today is another beautiful day. To unlock your 1 million daily cipher, as usual, you click on Empater 3 times. It will turn red and today's code is airdrop. So we are going to unlock it. To get your A, you tap and long press, release. To get your I, you tap. To get your arrow, you tap, long press, release, tap. To get your D, you long press, release, tap. To get your arrow again, you tap, long press, release, tap. To get your O, you long press, release, long press, release, long press, release. To get your P, you tap, long press, release, tap. Then you take your prize. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please click on the subscription button to support your girl. Click on the notification bell so that whenever we drop any banger, you will not be left out. Thank you.